Welcome out here to the gym for Friday's shoulder workout. We've got the shoulder workout in the incremental cycle. In the incremental cycle, we are increasing the load this week by 5 weeks from 65 pounds to 70 pounds on shoulder press, standing shoulder press or military press. So welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. Good morning. So yeah, we've got the shoulder press set up and ready to go. I've got the band set up. We've got band work today. We'll have a couple of auxiliary lifts. We'll hit the lateral raises and front raises with the dumbbells, and then do the shoulder stretch. Of course, we got, like I said, we got the band work. Added those back in just to keep the shoulders limbered up. And like I say, we'll hit the shoulder stretch. I added 5 seconds to the shoulder stretch from 40 to 45 seconds. So we'll hit those at 3 sets of 45 seconds. The band work will be 2 sets of 15 on each side, internal and external rotations. So we'll see what the feels. The shoulder press, the military press is feeling heavy last week at 65. We'll see what happens with the 70 pounds. I don't know, we'll see. Even the bar felt heavy when I was setting it up on the rack, so I don't know. But I'll be able to do it. It's just how much am I gonna have to lean back and incorporate some chest into it. So anyway, we're gonna hit this workout, head out on a walk, or actually a jog, and a little slower paced jog maybe, or maybe about the same as yesterday. Yesterday was, I don't think I mentioned it yesterday. Yesterday was 10:30s, upper 10:30s, 10:37 or 10:38, somewhere in there. So right about where I wanna be on Thursdays. Friday, Saturday, it can be more like between 10:30s and 11. So, or close to 11, I'm fine with that. So Tuesday, Thursday is the higher intensity day, and I didn't feel like jogging yesterday. So anyway, enough chatter, let's get to work. Hit this workout, and then like I say, head out on a jog and come back and chat. Let's do it. We are on the road for Friday. All right, so let's get this Friday on this downhill slide all done, and I'm ready for the weekend. So here we go. Yeah, the workout went well. Last workout, weight workout of week 4. So 2 more weeks left, week 5 and week 6 of the incremental cycle. So yeah, shoulders went well. 70 pounds didn't feel much heavier than 65 pounds. I feel like I definitely a little lean back to incorporate some chest. And I wouldn't say my shoulders are sore, they're just a slight bit of discomfort down at the bottom, and but definitely with lifting, I can feel the deltoids working, which is amazing because I can focus on using those deltoids, and I know they're getting worked out now. Before, it was just all pain, and it was anything I could do just to get the bar up. So probably shouldn't have even been doing anything, but what am I supposed to do? I mean, it was 2 years. I can't sit there and do nothing for 2 years. So, cause it impeded everything. I mean, even squats, I barely could get in the squat rack. So I'm pretty happy to be where I'm at now. So whatever I can do, I can do. So we're meeting age with grace, folks. That's what we're doing. We're gonna push through and get through this, and well, mostly through. So just gotta get through the door and get it shut. So anyway, yeah, shoulder workout went well. Bands, actually, I felt those work. I had gotten to a point where the bands didn't feel like they were doing a whole lot, but felt like both the internal and external rotations were getting me some PT. So, and plus the shoulder stretch added 5 seconds. Didn't really notice the extra time, but that stretch is definitely still a good stretch, really good stretch. So applying some resistance there at the point of the stretch, you know, pushing forward on that bar when you get back there in that stretch. And I'm really trying to open up, you know, I'm pushing that bar over and trying to open up my chest, and pushing that hand forward, trying to get a stretch in there and some resistance to work those tendons at the stretch point. And so yeah, no, that's really definitely been doing some good. So yeah, so we've got that done, and the wind's blowing, so my door's not, I don't have my door latched. Anyway, so yeah, Friday's done. We are on the road. So tomorrow we have our ab burner. We are at 1 minute intervals finally. I've done 1 minute intervals for 2 weeks. This will be the 3rd week at 1 minute intervals. Not sure how long I'll do this before I pick something else to do, but that's a good workout and a good ab workout. So we'll continue to do it. Saturday's a good day to do that. So we'll get the old ab burner in tomorrow. And anyway, I did do my jog. It was all I could do to make myself do the full 2 miles. I sure wanted to stop and walk. My legs are just tired. Pretty sure I need to just cut back a little bit. I don't know, I have a hard time. I'm too competitive to make myself stop doing it, but I should, you know, the fact that my legs are tired probably means I should focus on the weights and cut back on the jogging a little bit. Maybe jog a mile instead of 2 miles, I don't know. I think I'll continue this week. We'll see what it feels like next week. We'll see what squats feel like on Tuesday. See if that's impacted. If that's impacted, I'll definitely slow down on the jogging a little bit, meaning cut back a bit. But anyway, yeah, it doesn't matter too much. I mean, I'm getting a workout either way, so that's a good thing. We'll let you go, getting long-winded here. You guys have a great weekend. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. Go do it. All right. We'll see you guys tomorrow or Monday or whatever. You guys take care, be safe. See ya.